Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is our Shumatt live stream. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today we want to introduce you one of our valve assembly. Let's check it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages is kind of VCI valve spec. And here this is the product SKU, and the product code is F00VC01372. And by the way, for this kind of logo label, the packages, etc., we can support customized service. Okay, then let's open it. And inside of it, you can see the transparent bottles. It's very hard, can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. That's the oil paper to wrap it up. The whole side of the valve assembly, actually not only sealing the whole side, we also sealing the separate one, such as the valve cap and the valve rod. Our product, we have the quality guaranteed. We supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. And here Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Here with the coating figures on the valve cap. So much for the introductions of our valve assembly. Actually, we also have injected the pumps, repair kits, a CV valve, the sensors, etc. Any other product if you are interested in, please feel free to contact us. At last, you can follow us at YouTube or the Facebook account. And also you can search on our website. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.